a page break. This way, if you add anything to your paper, you don't have to keep adjusting for the references. All right, so I'm going to put references at the top, and this is a level 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to center it. And I'm already at 12-point font. So that's the way I started out right there. Now there's a few different ways to get your references in here. You could type them out manually, which is a real pain in the neck. The second thing you could do is Microsoft has a built-in way to do references, but with it, it's really cumbersome. You have to fill out each one of these boxes and then copy it over. I'm going to show you my shortcut method. What I did is I went to the VTSU library pages. So it's a tile right on your home page, your canvas. All right, so what I'm just going to do is look up an article really quick. I want full text. That just saves you time from finding articles that the database tells you are not available. And we like peer reviewed. So I'm going to do those too. And I'm going to go search. Come on. Nothing but the fastest here. All right. This website's been so slow all day. Oh, they're going to redirect me to the library. Dum 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 dum. Sorry about this. We're still waiting. It's spinning. We're in the death cycle here. I'm sorry this is taking so long. Come on, Canvas, you can do it. Here we go. It seems like it's finally going. It's thinking about it. All right, so it gives me a list of articles below. And I'm just going to choose the top one because I wanted to show you how to use this. So say this article we used in our paper. The easiest way to cite it is you look at the double quotations over here. That automatically gives you the cite. So I'm going to click on the double quote and it brings up my citations. In the drop down menu, I'm going to choose APA. And this gives me an APA formatted source. So I'm just going to copy it. First of all, I'm going to have you note that this is at the left. The second and third line are indented. That's the way the references go. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back to my Word document. I promise you I'm going to go back to my Word document. I'm going to go back to my Word document. And in the references, I'm just going to paste it in. Again, you could use the paste from the home, or I just always do Control V and I paste it right in. So that's a properly formatted source right there, and I didn't have to type it in. The only thing we do have to do is we have to indent the second and third line 5 spaces. The easiest way to do it is I highlight those 2 lines. I go up the top and I in my ruler, I have what I call two marks here, a top one and a bottom one. I just select the bottom one and I bring that in 5 spaces. If I was going to add another source, it would be, again, we'd have a space in between them, and all your sources would be listed alphabetically by the lead author. All right, so that's how you do a reference section.